Hello, my name is Kurt, and this is my garage, and today we're going to try to make some divot repair tools, kind of like this. Except they're going to be out of brass, and I made a couple of these ones, but I want to be able to make lots at one time instead of making one at a time like I was doing. So I'm going to make some bigger soft jaws. Now we'll just cut it to length. Okay, so I'm going to zero out the X. And I want this to be 13.3 inches long. I don't have a caliper that big. That needs to be 14.05 is what we're looking for. So let's go there. And we're just gonna take it all off in one big shot here. I wish I didn't have to use flood, but for aluminum, I just do not have luck. I don't have coated end mills. This is just a high-speed steel. All right, so rinse and repeat on the next one. There we go. Looks like we never quite popped through the bottom. can see what we were after. I think that they're bulging it there. Those will pop right through. All right, let's rinse and repeat on the next one. Okay, we got them all cleaned up. That's what they look like. I'll bolt them in here. Hopefully they fit. Okay, here we have the soft jaws in the vise, and we're gonna just drill the holes. There's gonna be a few operations. We're gonna drill all the holes in the top of the soft jaws where we're gonna bolt the plate down for the first operation. And they're gonna be the same soft jaws. They're gonna have pockets milled for the divot repair tools. This is the only operation that we can do without flood coolant, so here we go. Here's the first operation. Drill holes, countersink them for 1024 countersunk screw. And those we'll take this off and we'll bolt to the plate, and then we'll run the next op, which will cut out, not quite cut all the way through this piece of brass. We'll flip it and we'll do 4. So I'll bring you back for the next op. All right, here we are, the first op on these divot fixes is done. Well, it's not very much metal between them. Break these apart. All right, here we are back. Just took it out of the machine. Super happy with how it came out. The engraving is nice and deep and crisp. I'm going to show you how I separate these and get them ready for the next operation. Now all we do is just take and break the pieces off that are able to come apart. I think it's about 20 thou or so, maybe 30 thou in between there, or the thickness of the remainder of the material. There you go, it's just that simple. And then since this is brass, and I'm using Alumax 88 for coolant in the mill. And it seems like it really wants to stain this stuff if you don't clean it off quickly. So I basically take it off out of the mill, blow it off with the air gun, wipe it off with a cloth, separate them, and I just throw them into some soapy water. And then they just stay like that until the next operation. That way they stay nice and bright and clean. Okay, next we got to find our zero. I was thinking about putting a power drop bar on this thing, but I don't know, without a tool changer, it's not like it takes long to change tools, right? If I had a tool changer, then I could just hit go and walk away and got something to talk about, but load up our program. I've never run the next op without coolant. This is just brass, so give it a shot here, see what happens. last tool. Just a quick chamfer around all of them. And then just done divot tools. Okay, let's take them out of there.